your guide to a healthier you. A week of delicious and nutritious eating. Today, we're diving into something I'm super passionate about, creating a balanced weekly diet plan that's both realistic and super effective for boosting your overall health. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another diet plan? Trust me, this isn't about restrictions. It's about making smart, delicious choices that fuel your body the right way. We're talking about meals you'll actually look forward to eating. So, if you're ready to ditch the restrictive diet fads and embrace a sustainable approach to healthy living, buckle up. Let's break down this weekly plan, day by day, and unlock the power of balanced eating together. All right, let's kick off the week strong with a Monday that's all about setting the tone for healthy habits. And what better way to do that than with a breakfast packed with protein? Think scrambled eggs with a side of whole wheat toast and some avocado for those healthy fats. Now, I know mornings can get hectic, so if you're short on time, a quick protein shake with a scoop of your favorite protein powder, some fruit, and a handful of spinach is a fantastic alternative. For lunch, let's keep that protein train rolling. How about a grilled chicken salad with plenty of colorful veggies? The lean protein in chicken helps you stay full and satisfied, while the veggies provide essential vitamins and fiber. Remember, we're aiming for balance, so don't be afraid to drizzle some olive oil and vinegar for a tasty and healthy dressing. As the day winds down, it's time for a light but satisfying dinner. A perfect option is baked salmon with a side of quinoa and steamed broccoli. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for your heart and brain health. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, and broccoli adds another dose of vitamins and fiber to your meal. And there you have it, a power-packed Monday that sets you up for a week of healthy eating. Welcome to Tuesday. Today, we're all about embracing the power of fiber. Fiber is your digestive system's best friend, keeping things running smoothly and helping you feel fuller for longer. So, let's start the day with a fiber-rich breakfast of overnight oats. Just combine rolled oats, your milk of choice, chia seeds for an extra fiber boost, and some berries for natural sweetness. Pop it in the fridge before bed, and voila, breakfast is ready when you are. For lunch, let's get creative with a quinoa salad bursting with flavors and textures. Quinoa, as we learned yesterday, is a nutritional powerhouse. Combine it with chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, black beans for extra protein and fiber, and a zesty lemon tahini dressing. This salad is not only delicious, but also keeps you feeling energized and satisfied throughout the afternoon. As the day winds down, it's time for a light and flavorful dinner that won't weigh you down. Baked cod with roasted vegetables is a fantastic choice. Cod is a lean protein source that's rich in vitamins and minerals, while roasted vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and zucchini provide a burst of flavor and nutrients. Remember, seasoning is key. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs and spices like garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the natural flavors of your dish. And there you have it, a fiber-filled Tuesday that nourishes your body from the inside out. It's Wednesday, hump day. You're halfway through the week, and we're keeping that energy high with a day focused on nutrient-packed meals that will power you through to the weekend. Let's start the day with a vibrant and refreshing smoothie bowl. Blend together your favorite fruits like berries, bananas, or mangoes with a handful of spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and your choice of milk or yogurt. Pour it into a bowl and top it with granola, nuts, and seeds for a satisfying crunch. This breakfast bowl is a delicious and convenient way to fuel your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and protein. For lunch, let's go for a quick and easy chicken wrap. Grab a whole wheat tortilla and load it up with grilled chicken breast, mixed greens, chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and a dollop of hummus for a creamy, flavorful finish. This wrap is a great source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, keeping you full and energized throughout the afternoon. As dinner time rolls around, it's time for a veggie-packed stir-fry that's bursting with flavor. Heat some olive oil in a pan and stir-fry your favorite vegetables like broccoli, carrots, snap peas, and mushrooms. Add in some tofu or tempeh for plant-based protein and season it with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a kick. This stir-fry is a delicious and nutritious way to end your Wednesday on a healthy note. Happy Thursday! Today, we're debunking the myth that all fats are bad. Healthy fats support brain function, hormone production, and vitamin absorption. Start with avocado toast, whole wheat bread, mashed avocado, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Add a fried egg for protein or tomatoes for a twist. For lunch, enjoy a hearty lentil soup. Lentils are packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients. For dinner, try a tofu stir-fry. Marinate tofu in soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and ginger. Stir-fry with vegetables and serve over brown rice. Enjoy a Thursday filled with healthy fats. Chapter 5 Friday. End the week strong. It's Friday. You've made it to the end of another week, and it's time to celebrate with a delicious and nutritious meal plan that will fuel your weekend adventures. Let's start the day with a hearty and satisfying breakfast burrito. Scramble some eggs with spinach and black beans, and wrap it all up in a whole wheat tortilla with salsa and a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein. This burrito is a powerhouse of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, setting you up for a productive and energized day. For lunch, let's go for a light and refreshing salad with grilled salmon. Salmon, as we discussed earlier, is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Grill or bake a salmon fillet and serve it over a bed of mixed greens with chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette. As dinner time rolls around, let's keep things light and flavorful with a veggie-packed pasta dish. Instead of traditional pasta, opt for whole wheat or lentil pasta for added fiber and protein. Sauté your favorite vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and mushrooms with garlic and olive oil. Toss the cooked pasta with the sautéed vegetables, add a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese if desired, and enjoy a delicious and healthy Friday night dinner. And there you have it, a Friday meal plan that's both delicious and nutritious, setting you up for a fantastic weekend. Chapter 6. Saturday. Weekend treats and balanced choices. Happy Saturday. It's the weekend, and while it's important to enjoy ourselves, it's equally important to maintain a balanced approach to our diet. Let's start the day with a delicious and nutritious whole grain pancake breakfast. Instead of using refined white flour, opt for whole wheat flour or a blend of whole grains for added fiber and nutrients. Top your pancakes with fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, and a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein. For lunch, let's go for a classic turkey sandwich with a healthy twist. Use whole wheat bread, lean turkey breast, lettuce, tomato, and avocado for healthy fats. You can also add a spread of mustard or hummus for extra flavor. This sandwich is a great source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, keeping you satisfied throughout the afternoon. As dinner approaches, fire up the grill and enjoy a delicious and healthy grilled chicken dinner. Marinate chicken breasts in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs for added flavor. Grill the chicken to perfection and serve it with a side of grilled vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and onions. This meal is a great way to enjoy the weekend while still making healthy choices. And there you have it, a Saturday meal plan that strikes the perfect balance between indulgence and nutrition. Chapter 7 Sunday. Relax and recharge. It's Sunday, the perfect day to relax, recharge, and nourish our bodies with wholesome and delicious food. Let's start the day with a refreshing and protein-packed fruit and yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits like berries, bananas, or peaches, and sprinkle with granola for a satisfying crunch. This parfait is a great source of protein, calcium, and essential vitamins, providing a healthy and delicious start to your day. For lunch, let's keep things light and refreshing with a mixed greens salad. Combine a variety of leafy greens like spinach, romaine lettuce, and arugula with chopped vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Add in some lean protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas for extra staying power. Drizzle with a light vinaigrette or a squeeze of lemon juice for a refreshing and flavorful finish. As dinner time rolls around, let's end the week on a nutritious and satisfying note with a balanced dinner of lean beef and veggies. Choose lean cuts of beef like sirloin or tenderloin and grill or pan-sear them to perfection. Serve the beef with a side of steamed or roasted vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, or Brussels sprouts. This meal is a great source of protein, iron, and essential vitamins, providing your body with the nutrients it needs to recharge and prepare for the week ahead. And there you have it, a Sunday meal plan that's both relaxing and nourishing, setting you up for a successful and healthy week ahead. That's it for our balanced weekly diet plan. I hope you found this video helpful and feel equipped to make healthier choices throughout the week. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and your lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. And most importantly, Share this video with your friends and family so we can all embark on this journey to a healthier and happier life together. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.